Hey guys, welcome back to Always Austin. And I got my big little brother with me today, okay? Y'all see I got the big baby with me today. So y'all already know what time it is, honey. Let me tell you, we turned my mama's house into a hair shop today. And my other sister over there, she was doing some knotless bohemian braids on my niece. And then I had set up shop over here to do these individual invisible lock twist things on my brother, honey. Y'all know I'm not gonna set up the camera until I know what I'm doing. So bam, once I got confident enough to do the little first row, I said, okay, we can start recording now. So I just went ahead and went in and trying to get my part straight. Y'all know that's my doggone kryptonite. I can't part straight to honey, to save my life. It be straight enough, but it just don't never be as straight as I want it to be. I don't know what it is. I'ma blame it on the shape of his head. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna blame it on the shape of his head. And you know how them boys be having their haircut, how they little sideburns and all that stuff go in a little bit higher and stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna blame it on, because I was struggling, y'all. Y'all see me? I just keep on combing down and going back through, combing down and going back through. I got so frustrated, I got my edge control. I said, okay, I'm gonna try to clean it up and see if I can get it a little bit more crispy with the edge control. Baby, it was still the same thing. Still the same thing. Still just going through, putting the hair back, putting it back. Pointing it back, putting it down, pointing it up, putting it back down. That's exactly what I was doing. But you know what? Guess what? They were straight enough. Straight enough. So, baby, I decided, you know what? That's as straight as it's going to get. I'm not going to keep on pouring it up and down. And look at him. Keep looking in the camera, trying to see what I'm doing, because he just sent the picture to my phone and said, hey, can you do this? And I said, yeah, I ain't never did it before a day in my life, but I can do it, because guess what? Tiara can do whatever she put her mind to. Tiara can do whatever she put her mind to. So he was a little nervous sitting in my chair. And I ain't gonna lie, I was a little nervous with him being in my chair, because my siblings, honey, they my worst critics. See, when I do Kylie hair, it's a little different, because that's my daughter. I can make her rock it, and I'm gonna be like, no, we not taking it down. It's cute. You'll be all right. With them siblings, oh baby, they ain't gonna hold back. They gonna be like, no, take this out of my head right now. Why did you play in my hair like this? Like, they gonna get mad. You see, I had to keep turning his head. He keep laughing because he's like, I'm just trying to see. No, I said, no, you're not gonna see. They look all right. You good. My niece is over there giving him the eye like, no, I don't know. Because the first one was a little ugly. That was a little ugly. But hey, I got better with time. I'm like, fine wine, baby, fine wine. But you know what? I did not let him see. And I was like, you know what? It's gonna be okay. I said, you good. I got it. Let me keep working. And bam, what I said you. He was good. He was good. Yeah, stop playing with me. When I say anything I put my mind to, anything I put my mind to. So yeah, I wanted to give y'all a little close-up of my technique and what I was doing. Let y'all get up close and personal. But this is my first time doing it now, okay? Now, I will say I will go back and use a different gel when I am twisting them, because I use, of course, y'all know I love me some edge booster. So I used some edge booster, and y'all can see it was kind of like getting a little white on his hair. It didn't really, it did what it was supposed to do, don't get me wrong, but I would use like another like lock gel just to try out something different. But this is how I'm twisting it up. I'm laying down the gel, making sure you got to use a lot of product when you're twisting this, when you're twisting the hair. So I'm laying down the gel, getting it all product up, all gelled up, and I'm trying to comb it out and getting it as flat as can be. Combing it out, getting that extra excess product out and laying it and getting it just as slick as possible so that it can just lock down and stay twisted, okay? So yeah, that's what we're doing. So once I do that, I'm gonna take a little piece from the top like so, like that. And look, he holding a bad head. Oh Lord, don't get me started on it. He hold a bad head. But I'm just twisting and tucking, twist and tuck as tight as I can get it. Twist and tuck. And look at him. He leaning y'all all out the camera. But listen, that's what it looked like. Twist and tuck, y'all. Y'all see that? I'm sorry. I'm going to have to do another one because, baby, hold the bad head. And he kept putting his hand up there, y'all. Kept putting his hand up there. So, bam. So, I'm going to do the same thing. After I twist that down to a good little distance, y'all saw I put the clip on there. And we're going to repeat that process on that other piece of hair. We're going to get our product. We're going to lay it out. And we're going to keep on combing it until we get that base, that foundation, as flat as we can get it, combing out that excess product and making sure the other product gets through the hair like so, like that, yo. Look, he just leaning over. I'm not even pulling his head that hard. Y'all see I had to keep pushing his head up. And bam, I'm gonna do the same thing. Grab a little piece from the top and twist and tuck, twist and tuck, twist and tuck, as tight as you can get it. And once I do that, I'm now going to conjoin the piece. I'm gonna twist it down just a little bit further. Make sure you got it a good distance, twist it down, because I don't want it to unravel. And then I'm just going to start interlocking, interlocking, whatever you want to call it, the two, like so, like that. And once I get the two at the twisted at the top, I'm gonna clip it back down so it can stay in place. And I'm going to twist the other hair, you know, just like you would like a 2-string twist, like they used to do out here back in the day when you used to put the little barrettes on the end. Just like that. And I am adding a little product on the end as well. Look, I had to keep fussing at him, get his hand down, because baby, let me tell you, he hold a bad head and he don't know how to sit still. He keep putting his hand on there. How much longer we got? How much longer we got? Trying to feel what the twist look like. Boy, sit down somewhere. Sit down. So that was my up close and personal on how I did that there. And bam, my sister was done with the bohemian knots on my niece. Yeah, touched by Angel, get at her. And then boom, we done with Roman. Yeah, look at me. First time, I told y'all I could do anything I put my mind to. I told you I can. So yeah, look at that. Yeah, make sure y'all like this video. Thank y'all for watching.